Hello everyone, I am Swapnil Patil and I work as an application engineer with Beacon India. Over the few minutes, I will be showing you the benefits of SolidWorks subscription and how you can improve your SolidWorks experience. As many customers ask me about, is there a way to improve my productivity, or how can I reduce the time for a specific workflow, or is this possible in SolidWorks? Likewise, so Beacon as a value-added reseller gives all answers to your questions related to SolidWorks. You might have already know, but if you don't, you have full access to our award-winning technical team. If you have a query related to SolidWorks, drop an email or call us and we will help you. So, rather than struggling and finding your solution, most of the time we can solve your query on your first phone call, making sure to get back your job as fast as possible. According to the users, most important benefits of subscription service is to get a continuous access to new release and latest service pack. So, by active subscription, you get connected to all new releases and upgrade in annual. R&D team keeps constantly improving and upgrading the software. This is an increase in performance and reliability, community requested enhancement, or adding a new functionality or supporting files. SolidWorks is always evolving. We understand the time and pressure to drive things quickly. As subscription service member, you will have full access to our live technical support from us. We are certified expert in all things of SolidWorks and ready to assist you in any capacity. We can remotely access your workstation to help you directly on your machines. As in active subscription, you can directly avail for the sort of standard training like essential, advanced topics and drawings, or customized training related to your product specific topics like surface, sheet metal, mold, etc. So this will help you to make user proficient in use of software and build your models quickly with correct design intent. We conduct proactive visits to customers' place in every quarter where we provide the important training like how to improve productivity, tips and trick training so that user get benefits of SolidWorks as their industrial need. As SolidWorks upgraded to the latest version where are new functions or enhancement added to the newer version, we provide the hands-on what's new training with the users. So user get more clarification and to get use them in their current workflow of modeling. We also provide on-site visits for technical support during the urgency. Certification is a proof of your SolidWorks expertise where you can show that you possess the skill that the business seek out and rewards. With a valid SolidWorks subscription, each seat of SolidWorks entitles the user to 2 free core SolidWorks exam vouchers like CSWP and CSWA, and 2 free advanced exam vouchers like sheet metal, weldments, surfacing, mold making and drawing tools. Being in SolidWorks subscription, you get access to My SolidWorks standard account. My SolidWorks is the great source that provides the many different resources together in one place. My SolidWorks include CAD models, forums, trainings, general support and downloads. A personal favorite of mine, SolidWorks Visualize, which helps you create professional photorealistic render images in easiest way possible. You no longer need to compromise your marketing and presentation material by relying on screen grabs or costly photographs of prototype to show off your latest products. For every SolidWorks license on active subscription is entitled to SolidWorks CAM standard. It gives you quickly program individual mill parts and configuration without leaving the SolidWorks 3D CAD environment. SolidWorks CAM is feature-based CAM package. Automatic feature recognition generate the feature found on geometry to apply toolpaths. This saves time from having to create every toolpath manually. If you enjoy the video or learn anything, please leave a comment. Also share this video with all your colleagues. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day.